welcome back to Heritage Soap. Today I'm going to be doing a 2.5 pound small batch of our watermelon mist. So I'm going to mix everything up as I normally do, add my lye water solution into my oils and butters, and let's get started. I'm going to add in my 3 colors. I'm going to have pink, and I'm using a combination of candy apple mica and a little bit of the Hollywood pink mica. I'm going to add just a little bit of green vibrance and a little bit of pistachio. Now, I'm not going to add much because most of it's going to be pink. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to mix this in by hand, and I'll bring you guys back. Go ahead, add in my fragrance oils. Okay guys, this one right here is going to be, we're going to add some poppy seeds to it. Fold those in. Alright. I'm just going to put it in my mold here. And as always, the greens turn an ugly color. They always do. They always turn an ugly color. Greens do, usually. But they always turn back once they cure out. Tomorrow when I bring you back and we slice it up, it won't look the same. This soap will be on our website. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put on my pink layer of soap. I'm going to put it on in there. Looks just like a slice of watermelon. Smells really, really good. Okay guys, there is our little small 2 pound or 2.5 pound batch of watermelon mist. So we'll bring you back tomorrow after we slice it up and we'll see how it came out. Hey y'all, welcome back to Heritage Soap. Today I'm going to be slicing up a small little 2.5 pound, I guess a test batch. I wanted to try out a new melon fragrance. I tried this one, it's phenomenal. It's melon mist from Nature's Garden. I layered the bottom with 2 different greens, and then I put a pink in there with some poppy seeds. So I just wanted to try it out before I made a big batch. So I'm going to slice it up, and I'm not going to go through the entire thing because it's uniform. It's the same thing all the way through. It's beautiful. I love how it came out. I really like the colors. I don't know if y'all can see the little poppy seeds in there or not of them. And I love how it came out. It smells so good. And I think it's a perfect summer soap. So anyway, I'm going to go through this bar. I'm going to put some pictures up at the end. I really love how this came out. Like I said, I'm not going through the whole entire loaf because it all looks the same. Except maybe some minor like that. Some minor differences in each bar. So anyway, thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. If y'all haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. And also hit the little notification bell so that y'all get notified every time that I post new videos. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a great day.